Hi friends, we're back in my kitchen and today we are talking about holiday recipes. I am saying no to the canned cranberry sauce, though I do have one can, and yes to my family's recipe for cranberry salad. It's a JellO, it has fresh cranberries in it, lemon JellO, some nuts, some grapes, some pineapple. It is absolutely delicious and it is very special to me. I pull out this recipe card every year. It is in my lovely mother's handwriting and it means so much to me to be able to see her handwriting. She has been gone for 5 years and it reminds me of her and it reminds me of cooking Thanksgiving with her. And if you are thinking, why would I share a family recipe on the internet? Aren't they secret? Well, not in this family. My mom always freely handed out this recipe to everyone who asked for it, and so I am going to do the same, just in mass, because it's delicious and it's easy and it is so much better than opening up one of these cans and dumping it on your holiday table. So let me teach you how to make my great-grandmother's cranberry salad. We are going to start with 1 package of fresh cranberries. This is 12 ounces. We put our 12-ounce package into a saucepan with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Turn on the heat to high and you just put that in a rolling boil until all of the cranberries burst. I can't give you a direct time because it's always different. It'll depend on how hot you have it, your stove versus my stove. You just watch them, and when all the cranberries burst, we're ready for step 2. So let's get started.
And now we wait.
Things are starting to boil. You can see, I don't know if you can see or not, some of the berries are already starting to crack at the skin. I'm just gonna keep this going till everything gets nice and burst and smooth. Stay tuned. Here we go, the finished product. As you can see, all the cranberries are burst open and we've got almost a jelly, syrupy type consistency to our mixture. Okay, now to our burst cranberries, water, and sugar. We are going to add 1 3-ounce package of lemon JellO to our mixture. We're gonna put this in, stir it up, and add it to our bowl. Then this bowl goes into the fridge and we're going to partially set the JellO before adding our mix-ins. So lemon JellO in, stir it around. And into our bowl. I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so it starts to set. And in the meantime, I will be chopping our mixins. Stay tuned. While our cranberry JellO mixture starts to set, we are going to chop up our mixins for our cranberry salad. We will be adding pineapple, red seedless grapes, and walnuts. You can add from anywhere from a half cup to a cup of each thing based on what your family likes, how much fruit and nuts you want to cranberries. I say I probably do a half a cup of nuts and like 3/4 of a cup of the grapes and pineapple. That works for us. I don't have crazy nut eaters other than myself, so I try to keep the nuts on the low side and the pineapple and the grapes on the high side. And the pineapple and the grapes are the sweeter portion, so that balances out the cranberry. So I'm going to chop those up so they are ready to mix into our bowl after it sets for about 20 minutes. Start with our nuts. Just wanna chop. Oop, I lost one. You don't want to keep them giant, but you also don't want to pulverize them into a powder. You want to know they're there. They will soften in the JellO, but still have a little bit remnants of their crunch. Let's see what we got here so far. Now for our pineapple, I buy pineapple chunks. And you can just buy pineapple tidbits and use them as they are, just drain off the liquid. You can use fresh pineapple if you have it around. I just tend to use the canned and buy the exact amount I need. Because there's just not a lot of refrigerator space when you are cooking for the holiday, which is when I am normally making this. Because that is when cranberries, fresh cranberries, are readily available. Fun fact, you can freeze cranberries, and I have purchased 3 or 4 bags and stuck them in the freezer so that we could have this on a day that wasn't November, December, January. So if you make it and you love it, that is an option. Okay. 2 down, 1 to go. Last but not least is our red grapes. I have rinsed them off, and now we will just chop them up. All right, there we go. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes. My cranberry sauce is starting to chill and is a little bit set, therefore all of our mix-ins will not sink directly to the bottom. So it is time to put our nuts, pineapple, and grapes into our cranberry JellO mold. I'm gonna dump it in and mix it up type of girl. Mix things around. And smooth it all out. There we go. And that's it. So simple. This will now go. I will cover it with tin foil. This lovely pan used to have a top, but do I know where it went to? No idea. It just poofed out of my kitchen. So I will cover this lovely dish with foil. I will stick it in my refrigerator and it will sit there. You need a minimum of, I'd say, 24 hours to get it nice and cool and set. But you have the freedom to make this ahead of time as much as, I'd say, about a week. Like for this year, today is Monday and I'm making this for Thanksgiving on Thursday. I've made it on Tuesday, I've made it on Wednesday. You do not have enough time to make it Thursday morning. It'll still be mushy and not set. So there you have it, my great-grandmother's recipe given to me by my mother for cranberry salad. One of my favorite parts of Thanksgiving. So much better than this silly little can of cranberries, which I do have and I will still open up for my family because some of them still like to eat this even though I make this. Don't ask me, everyone gets to have what they want. It's a holiday. If you love recipes and cooking and gardening and preserving, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel because that's what I do here on Garden Avenue all the time. Stay tuned for more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.